What's going on YouTube? So I got these spec detouring headlights for my 99 Silverado. I think they work with 99 to 2007 GMT800s, at least the 1500s I believe. And but yeah, so what I did today was the full high mod. So pretty much for the low beams and high beams, you switch on the steering column. The low beams and high beams, they have 12 volts sitting on the power line at all times. What the switch does is it switches to ground. So what you would do is on either side, on the low beams, you just ground the negative ground, somewhere like to the frame or something like that, to where it had constant ground. Then when you turn on the high beams, the low beams will stay on. But these are low beams, just high beams. So yeah, you just ground the wire to the frame or something like that somewhere. And again, you turn the high beams on, the low beams stay on. And for the DRL, what I did was, the previous owner had put these headlights on. Can't really see nothing at night, so I took them off and got these. I just got to get a new grill to close this up. But what I did pretty much was I spliced into the power wire. I guess what they did was they found constant power, or ignition power, from the headlight source. So when you turn the key on, the DRLs, when they did these headlights, the DRLs would come on, they stayed on with the ignition at all times. So what I just did was, I didn't want to cut into the factory wiring, so I just got some splice and ran wire in between and spliced from this DRL wire to the DRL bulb. So whenever the headlights come on, the headlights stay on. I mean, the DRL bulb stay on. This is when you turn the low beams on, the DRL will turn off. So I just spliced, into the DRL strip, got power from there. And with each time you splice in a power, you only got to do one side. You don't have to splice both sides, just splice one side. So and as you can see, the DRL is on with the strips. The low beam is on, high beam is off. It's my I got some switchback turn signal bulbs, and when I turn on the high beam, low beam is still on, DRL is still on. Don't know why it's flickering right now. That one's not. So I have to check into that. Maybe turn the high beam off. It's probably just like a power draw, or my battery voice. Yeah, my voice is just getting low. Yeah, that's what it was. Full high. Just gotta stick this bulb back in the housing. I'll worry about that later. But yeah, that's a cheap for a high mod. You don't have to go buy anything other than maybe getting some wire taps. That's on 12-volt wire. And all 4 bulbs are on. Quick and easy.